Introduce features highlight or overview summary about Otovoda 4K dual dash cam, with Wi-Fi GPS, Otovoda dash cam front and inside. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Features highlight or overview summary are include. This car camera is adopted the most advanced material and latest design, giving you the newest vision dash camera. With 4K high resolution when you use front camera or car interior along and super night vision, it can clearly capture of license plates, and inside passenger cabin. Comes with Wi-Fi function, you can view real-time videos, playback and download videos via free OK Car app. GPS function allow dashcam to record the driving track and speed accurately. Your good partner on the journey. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.